pop in.
What's up, guys? Alright, so today we are at the Coca-Cola, what would this be? The Coca-Cola factory?
Coca-Cola shop in Las Vegas.
Coca-Cola shop in Las Vegas. And it's huge in here. It's like 2 stories.
It's shaped in a Coke
And
bottle.
Today we got, I actually just went up to get 1 Coke, but instead I bought
10.
16 Cokes. It's the taste of the world. Taste of the world. It is 16 international flavors. Tray 1 we have Inca Cola from Peru. Tray 2 we got Guarana from Brazil. We got some from Japan, some from Spain,
Smart watermelon from China,
and
Fanta pineapple from Greece.
Fanta pineapple from Greece. And that's just the first tray. Tray 2 is down here and I can't really get to it yet. So, do you want to take 1 tray and I'll take 1 tray?
Sure, I'll take the bottom one.
Ooh, that green one looks good. What's that?
Did they just give you regular Coke too?
I hope so. And that's a glass of water.
Really? No. That's cool.
They all have their own like smells to them. They smell really good. And they're so colorful. Yes. Okay, so I guess we'll just start with number 1 and you start with your number 1.
Okay. So I got Lift Apple from Chile.
And this is Inca Cola from Peru. That smells like bubble gum.
Smells like apple soda.
Oh, cheers.
Is it good? I want to try that one. This is good.
See, I like this one better.
It's just like regular apple soda.
It's really good apple soda. I wasn't too impressed with Inca Cola. So do they serve this stuff in cans down? Is this like
It's like the signature one for the country, I think.
So do they not serve our Coca-Cola down there? Is it just this?
I think we actually have some of these in our, like the Fanta ones we definitely have here.
Okay. So that's number 1. Now, what do you have for number 2?
I have Fanta Colita. Fanta Colita from Costa Rica.
Guarana from Brazil. I probably just slaughtered that, but so we have smell test. Mine doesn't smell like anything.
Mine doesn't smell like anything either. Bottoms up.
Mine doesn't really taste like anything either.
It tastes like cherry a little. This might actually just be cherry Fanta. Or strawberry Fanta.
Try this one. Ugh. Ugh. That is not strawberry Fanta. I do not like that.
I don't even know how to describe this one. It just feels like a lighter version of the apple one that we just
exactly.
had.
Not that much of a flavor, you know?
No.
Can you imagine if you drank all these by yourself?
Right.
They're mixing in my stomach and I got like a weird
I got like a bad taste right in the back of my
I know, right there, like right in the front
back
of
of my
your throat.
tongue.
Oh, like right, you don't really have an Adam's apple, do you? Yeah, you do. I can feel mine right on my Adam's
apple. You can tell it more than now that I'm skinny here.
Yeah, you can.
My mom was like, what, you got an Adam's apple?
You're like, I guess I do, I never knew that was there. This is so good.
Taste it.
Vegeta Beta.
From Japan.
Vegeta Beta from Japan.
I feel like these 2 are 2 that you could just finish off really easily because they're not as sugary as the other ones. Taste it. It's not that sugary, right? You don't like it?
God, that's disgusting. Give me back that. I need to like wash my down with something. Yeah, that was an easy one to finish for me.
Sunfill Mint, which just looks like mouthwash. I like the color though.
I have this that looks like dirty tap water. I don't know whether to like this or to dislike this. It's kind of like stopping now.
It tastes like minty bubble gum. Actually, now it tastes a little bit like toothpaste.
We were about to go ride a roller coaster, but honestly, with all this soda in my system, I don't think I can ride a roller coaster. No, you're not about that one?
It's like a strong lemonade. Lemonade with no sugar.
God, you've had a bad. I'm glad I took the tray. I did. Oh. Ugh. Ugh. Oh. I don't like this. Ugh. Oh.
2 more each.
2 more.
Okay. I have
Guys, I don't know if I can do this.
Beverly from Italia.
I have Smart Watermelon from China.
That sounds delicious. Cheers.
Cheers.
It's bitter. I can feel it like around the sides of my tongue.
Oh my
This one is so bitter. Might actually be vodka.
Oh man.
What? You gotta taste this one.
I don't want to.
You have to.
That one's not bad. The watermelon's like decent.
That one tastes good. Like it tastes like some smart ass watermelon. You gotta be a man, Wyatt.
Oh. God, that stuff's bad.
Oh,
Oh.
I just drank
Give me
it
one
up.
of these old ones. That one sucks too. Oh.
You can just feel it on the side of your tongue right here.
My whole tongue got coated
I
in
can
it,
still
dude.
taste it, yeah.
That literally tastes like alcohol. What was that?
Stay away from Beverly Coke from Italy. At all
Italy,
costs.
guys, you can do so much better than that. Come on, I know you can. That stuff is disgusting. It like burns your tongue.
Alright. What's the last one on there?
Number 8,
What do you got?
I have Fanta Pineapple.
We know what that tastes like. I got
And it's
a
from Greece.
miso mix from Germany. Cheers. We missed
No.
a smell test, but
Oh yeah. Well, now I know what it tastes like. Now. What's yours taste like?
it just tastes like apple again. Apple's
Tastes
very
like
popular.
Really cheap pineapple. Like I love pineapple, but this is like made in a factory.
That one is
pineapple.
crazy.
I still have the taste of that other one in my mouth.
Yep, pineapple.
Did you finish that other one?
Yeah.
This kind of smells more like Coke.
Okay.
Tastes like
Tastes a little bit like Coke.
if you mixed Coke and that apple soda
Yeah,
together.
yeah,
That's what it was.
Alright.
Okay, so
What was your favorite?
Coca-Cola, you on your international tastes of the world flavors, you missed out on your number 1 seller.
Coke.
Just Coke. Where's the Coke?
Coke's the best.
I'm waiting for the Coke.
Go.